Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best Vitamix blender. Here are the top 3 Vitamix blenders that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Vitamix 5200 Professional Grade Blender. Its blending cup is large and offers medium to large batch blending, consuming minimum time. The blender's speed can be controlled using the dial pad on the blender. Dial pad can be rotated even when the blender is working. This blender has fast-moving blades that can be used to make piping hot soups within minutes. The blades of this Vitamix blender are termed aircraft graded, which means it can blend hard ingredients in no time. It has self-cleaning features. Only a drop of dish soap and water is needed to make the blender clean within 60 seconds. At number 2. Vitamix TurboBlend 3-Speed. This Vitamix blender has 3 speed control features that offer the best blending to different food ingredients. It also consists of 3 pre-programmed settings that sense the ingredient inside it and works accordingly to give a perfect blend. The 64-ounce blender cup offers large batch blending all at once. This blender is also very easy to clean and store. The handle on the side is ergonomic and convenient to lift and enables the user pour directly from the blending cup. Its stainless steel, laser-cut blades blend hard, solid food ingredients within seconds and delivers perfect blend in minimum time. At number 1. Vitamix Professional Series 750 Blender. This blender has hardened stainless steel blades inside that can cut hard ingredients efficiently. Its compact size and lightweight characteristics make it easy to store anywhere in the kitchen. It has a total of 5 different pre-programmed settings, ensuring perfect results every time. This machine has self-cleaning features. A small amount of water and dish soap makes it clean within 30 to 60 seconds maximum. Smoothies, purees, soups can be made with perfection using this high-performance Vitamix blender. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.